Work-Based Learning WBL in BEU Program 2020. The Bachelor of Electronic Engineering Technology, Medical Electronics with Honours program is designed to cover the electrical engineering discipline with emphasis on the field of medical electronics. Students would undergo an academic curriculum consisting of modules in mathematics, fundamentals of electricity, electronics and solid-state devices. In addition, the program also offers specialized modules in the area of anatomy and physiology, biomedical sensors and transducer, biomedical signal processing, biomedical instrumentation and measurement, and biomedical imaging. Towards the end of the program, students will go through a web-based learning course which includes hospital and maintenance management, maintenance of imaging equipment, maintenance of general biomedical equipment work-based learning WBL. Mission: to provide wide access to quality and recognized TVET programs, to empower communities through lifelong learning, to develop holistic, entrepreneurial and balanced graduates, to capitalize on smart partnership with stakeholders. Vision: to be the leading edge TVET institution. Educational goal: to produce holistic and competent TVET graduates capable of contributing to the national development. The Bachelor of Electronic Engineering Technology, Medical Electronics with Honours program shall produce medical electronic technologists who are practicing technologists in medical electronic related fields and capable to adapt themselves with advancement technology, contributing to society with professional ethic and responsibilities, engaging in enterprising activities that apply engineering knowledge and technical skills, engaging in lifelong learning activities for successful career advancement. Scene 3. Program Learning Outcomes PLO. Upon completion of the program, students should be able to PLO 1. Apply knowledge of mathematics, science, engineering fundamentals, and an engineering specialization to defined and applied engineering procedures, processes, systems, and methodologies. PLO 2. Identify, formulate, research literature, and analyze broadly defined engineering problems, reaching substantiated conclusions using analytical tools appropriate to their discipline or area of specialization. PLO 3. Design solutions for broadly defined engineering technology problems and contribute to the design of systems, components, and processes to meet specified needs with appropriate consideration for public health and safety, cultural, societal, and environmental considerations. PLO 4. Conduct investigations of broadly defined problems, locate, search, and select relevant data from codes, databases, and literature, design and conduct experiments to provide valid conclusions. PLO 5. Select and apply appropriate techniques, resources, and modern engineering and IT tools, including prediction and modeling, to broadly defined engineering activities with an understanding of the limitations. PLO 6. Demonstrate understanding of the societal, health, safety, legal, and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to engineering technology practice. PLO 7. Understand the impact of engineering technology solutions in societal and environmental contexts and demonstrate knowledge of and need for sustainable development. PLO 8. Understand and commit to professional ethics and responsibilities and norms of engineering technology practice. PLO 9. Function effectively as an individual and as a member or leader in diverse technical teams. PLO 10. Communicate effectively on broadly defined engineering activities with the engineering community and with society at large by being able to comprehend and write effective reports and design documentation, make effective presentations, and give and receive clear instructions. PLO 11. Demonstrate knowledge and understanding of engineering management principles and apply these to one's own work as a member and leader in a team and to manage projects in multidisciplinary environments. PLO 12. Recognize the need for and have the ability to engage in independent and lifelong learning in specialist technologies. Synopsis of course. Hospital and Maintenance Management course is aimed to expose the students with the knowledge and skills related to processes and procedures on maintenance of biomedical equipment in a hospital. Students will be exposed to asset management from the day the equipment is being introduced to the facility until the time equipment is being disposed. The student will be taught on the documentation requirement related to each maintenance stage, standards and requirements that they have to comply. Maintenance. Therapeutic Equipment course aims to introduce the students with the knowledge and skills related to biomedical equipment such as infusion pump, phototherapy unit, and others. Students will be exposed to the preventive maintenance, the safety aspect and special precaution, the troubleshooting technique, and writing a technical report on the therapeutic equipment. Maintenance. Laboratory Equipment course aims to introduce the student with the knowledge and skills related to biomedical equipment such as laboratory analyzers, tissue processes, centrifuge, and more. Students will be exposed to the preventive maintenance, the safety aspect and special precaution, the troubleshooting technique, and writing a technical report on the laboratory equipment. Technical Assessment Report course is intended to inspire students to use their experience and knowledge to carry out technical assessments on medical equipment in a healthcare institution. Students could also access the various model of equipment and make comparison or advise on equipment relevance and sufficiency. They will determine their area of interest and plan on how to gather data to come out with the proposal. Once data is gathered, they will analyze and come out with suggestions through proper writing techniques. This course encourages students to enhance their critical thinking through looking into either medical equipment design or in the condition of the surrounding of the equipment. Maintenance. Imaging equipment provides the knowledge on principles, applications, and basic maintenance of various medical imaging systems. The emphasis on studying various imaging modalities in hospital that includes general X-rays, dental X-rays, mammography unit, fluoroscopy equipment, C-arm and bone densitometer, diagnostic ultrasound, computed tomography, CT and PET-CT, radioisotope imaging nuclear medicine, magnetic resonance imaging MRI, and radiotherapy modalities. Maintenance. Life support equipment introduces the student with the knowledge and skills related to biomedical equipment such as ventilator, anesthesia machine, and dialysis unit. Students will be exposed to the preventive maintenance, the safety aspect and special precaution, the troubleshooting technique, and writing a technical report on the life support equipment. Maintenance. Dental and Physio-Occupational Therapy Equipment course aims to introduce the students with the knowledge and skills related to biomedical equipment such as dental delivery unit and physiotherapy, occupational therapy system, interferential therapy, ultrasound therapy, IR therapy, and diathermy. Students will be exposed to preventive maintenance, safety aspect and special precaution, troubleshooting technique, and writing a technical report. Engineering Improvement course is intended to inspire students to use their experience and knowledge during the work-based learning program to suggest improvement to the existing processes, system or equipment in the hospital. Student will determine their area of interest and plan on how to gather data to come out with a proposal. Once data is gathered, they will analyze and come out with suggestions through proper writing technique. This course encourages students to enhance their critical thinking in looking for weak areas in the processes, system or equipment, analyze and think about ways to make it better. Facts about WBL. The Bachelor of Engineering Technology Medical Electronics with Honours program is conceptualized on the work-based learning approach, where the teaching and learning processes are carried out both within the classroom as well as part of the on-job training (OJT) at selected hospitals, labs and other workplaces within the industry. The OJT program aims to impart the required technical skills to students while at the same time exposes them to the real working scenarios. The WBL approach for the program is also designed to provide a favorable environment for the student to gain hands-on skills. Two-semester industry attachment requires the students to undergo a structured curriculum designed to expose them to actual medical equipment at the hospitals. The program objective is to produce graduates that can work effectively within a multidisciplinary team, be professional and ethically responsible in their duties.